Hello, everybody. Welcome back to C&S Corvettes in Sarasota, Florida. I'm your Corvette buddy, Lyle. Today, we've got some really sad news. We were going to be talking about the C5 and C6 fuel systems and some of the parts with those, but we just got word this morning that Mid America Motorworks in Effingham, Illinois, their big, beautiful complex was pretty much completely destroyed by a tornado, either yesterday afternoon or yesterday evening. Pictures are emerging online. We're getting more information. It appears that one of the mainstays of the Corvette hobby has been completely destroyed. Mike Yeager has been the chief Corvette cheerleader for the hobby he started in business the same year we did, 1974. So for 52 years, he's been a mainstay. He's a member of the Corvette Hall of Fame. He is a personal friend of Steve and mine. He's just a genuinely good dude who loves Corvettes and loves Corvette people. He and his wife were in Italy on vacation during this storm, so they weren't there. And it appears, I'm getting conflicting reports, but it appears that there weren't any serious injuries at Mid America when the storm hit, which I hope is true. But this is going to be a huge loss for the Yeager family and for the Corvette enthusiast hobby, because Mike Yeager MY Garage was completely destroyed, and that had the last C4 ever made, several important race cars throughout history, the C5 Alpha and C5 Beta test mules, and all of their family history and stuff. It's absolutely heartbreaking that these things are now most likely gone forever. So our heart goes out to Mike and his family and all of our friends at Mid America Motorworks. Please send them your prayers, your well wishes, whatever you can. They really need it in this time. It's amazing when, you wake up one morning and you have an active, thriving business, and by the end of the day, nature just takes it away. We see that here in Florida all the time, but man, it's really sobering. So that's where we're at. There's plenty of newsreels and stuff online you can see. We've posted some pictures here and some what we've got so far, but that was a fun place. We were up there in 2023 for their last big FunFest that they did. And, Mike was a generous host, and we walked around with him and got a bunch of video. You can see the video of that museum here. Check it out and send them your very best wishes. Y'all have a good day. We'll be back at it for normal tomorrow.